really saddened by the death of that child, our student, Ashik. After the first visit from the health center, we have cleared the area where we thought the water is accumulating. And health center came and they inspected and we were okay. I'm not sure, I have not visited the construction site, but there are still some places there is water there. From our side, we are doing everything which is possible, and we are really concerned about this dengue, especially our young students getting dengue.
You want to pass a message to the
Yes,
parents?
parents, I want to say to parents, like, please take care of your child at home, especially early morning and the dusk time, because that's the time where the mosquitoes attack the most. In school, we are trying our best to prevent dengue.
Any message that you want to tell them, like in case they find them fever, inform us or whatever?
Yes, any case, if child complains of headache or joint pain, please come and inform the office so we can inform the health center, and the next step, the measures should be taken there and then.
It's an unfortunate death. Of course, every death of a child is unfortunate. But as of now, it is still not confirmed that it is dengue, but it is highly suspicious that it was dengue shock syndrome. The problem is that in this school, some few children were found to be suffering from suspected dengue. So since last 13th July, we are visiting every alternate days, and we are seeing for any breeding sites. We are doing fumigation, and we are giving this education to the staff and everyone. The school authorities are very cooperative. We undertake joint inspection along with the school authorities to see what is required, and whatever we have suggested to them, they have taken prompt action. And I feel now, henceforth, there should be no more cases in this school, because whatever worse had to happen has happened, I feel. So PHC Korkali is another. We are in constant touch with PHC Korkali, Dr. Sukor, and together along with the school, we are trying to overcome this unfortunate outbreak of suspected dengue cases here in this school.
On the joint visit, we found that there was a lot of water logging, and which is the basic cause of breeding of such mosquitoes. And it is really frightening to see that any of our children, 1,200 kids in the school, any of this could be affected. Unfortunately, and very bad and sad news we got today morning, that the child, a KG student, has passed away. My only fear and my concern is that we should together, parents, authorities, medical officers, panchayat, everybody come together to put an end to this.